Tammy McClawhorn, for more than 25 years, has been passionate about helping others. She married her high school sweetheart, just like I did with my wife. That's wonderful. And she was just 19 years old, and together they've built a beautiful life together. And over the past 28 years, they've raised two wonderful daughters. And right after getting married, Tammy began her career in healthcare, where she has spent the last 25 years. I always get shocked when I read that because she looks like she's 25 years old. That's what organic living will do for you. But she spent the last 25 years serving patients and leading with compassion. Her heart for helping people has never wavered. It has simply expanded. And today, she combines her healthcare experience with her mission through Isante Organics, educating others on the power of 100% USDA certified organic nutrition and inspiring people to improve their health while creating opportunities for residual income and a brighter future. With that, Tammy McClawhorn, please take it away.
Well, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for taking your time out of your evening to join us. First of all, I would like to thank our president, Dr. J.J. Levine, and our CEO, Michael Wenninger, for allowing me to be here to present to you tonight. Now, my hope tonight is that you leave not just knowing more about a product, but understanding more about the incredible body that God created and how you can better support your health every single day. I've had the privilege of working in the healthcare field for the past 25 years. I currently serve as a healthcare administrator for a very busy internal medicine practice for a very large healthcare system in North Carolina. Now, throughout my career, I have worked alongside incredible physicians and healthcare professionals while helping patients to navigate their healthcare every single day. One thing that has really stood out to me during the time that I've worked in healthcare is just how many people are struggling with their digestive health. Almost every day, I see patients that need to be referred to a gastroenterologist because they are dealing with ongoing digestive concerns. Now, some people struggle with bloating, abdominal discomfort, reflux, constipation, diarrhea, or other digestive symptoms. And those symptoms can have many different causes, and persistent digestive issues should always be evaluated by a healthcare provider. Now, seeing this day after day has shown me just how incredibly important our digestive system really is. One thing I have learned is that people often think that digestive discomfort is just something that they have to live with. While it's always important to work with a healthcare provider to identify the cause of the persistent symptoms, I also believe that we should do everything that we can daily to support the health of our digestive system. Now, that's what makes me so interested in learning more about the gut microbiome. The more that we understand how our bodies work, the better equipped that we are to make informed decisions about our health. Tonight, I would like to spend a few minutes helping you better understand one of the most incredible systems that God created, which is your gut. I want to share with you one of my favorite products tonight from Isante Organics, and that is our probiotic flora. Now, if somebody asked me today, Tammy, is there one supplement that you think many people should consider taking and adding to their daily wellness routine? Well, I would say absolutely yes, you need to take a good quality probiotic. And why is that? Well, because your gut is one of the most important foundations of your overall health. Scientists estimate that your digestive tract is home to trillions of microorganisms that are known collectively as the gut microbiome. Now, these tiny little organisms are absolutely incredible. They help digest your food. They help your body absorb nutrients. They produce certain vitamins. They help maintain the protective lining of your intestines. They communicate with your brain through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. And one fact that really amazes me is that approximately 70% of our immune system is associated with the gut. Now, think about that for just a moment. One system influencing so many others. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyle isn't very kind to our microbiome. Now, you think about it. You may have taken antibiotics or be on antibiotics. You may be eating processed foods. You might be consuming too much sugar. You might be dealing with chronic stress, getting poor sleep, aging, taking certain medications. All of these things can affect the balance of beneficial bacteria that live inside of our digestive tract. That is one reason that probiotics have become one of the most researched nutritional supplements in the world. One review published in PubMed concluded that specific probiotic strains can support gastrointestinal health, help maintain a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria, and support normal immune function. Now, researchers also emphasize something really important. Not all probiotics are the same. The benefits of probiotics are strain specific, which means it's not simply about how many billions of bacteria are listed on the label. You have to be careful with this. The quality and the combination of probiotic strains matters. That really catches my attention, okay? Because I wanted a probiotic that was thoughtfully formulated, one that wasn't just trying to impress me with a big number on the bottle, as so many do. That's exactly what I found in Probiotic Flora. One of the things that I really appreciate the most about this product is that it was designed with purpose. Rather than relying on just one probiotic strain, Flora combines 7 carefully selected probiotic strains that all work together to help support a healthy gut microbiome. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about every single strand to you tonight because I really want you to see the bigger picture. The important thing to remember is that each strain has a unique role, and together they help support a balanced and healthy digestive environment, including your intestine, urinary, colon, and yeast balance support. Another feature that I really appreciate is that Flora doesn't stop with probiotics. It also contains FOS, which stands for fructooligosaccharides. Now, FOS is a prebiotic. I like to explain it this way. If probiotics are the seeds, then prebiotics are the fertilizer. The probiotics are the beneficial bacteria that you're introducing into your digestive system, while the prebiotic helps nourish those beneficial bacteria so they can grow and thrive. To me, it makes perfect sense. It's not just about adding beneficial bacteria, it's about creating an environment where those beneficial bacteria can flourish. Now, I've worked in the healthcare system for so many years, and I appreciate the products that have a purpose behind every ingredient. That's exactly what impressed me about this product. Now, one thing I found fascinating while researching probiotics is that scientists are continuing to discover just how connected the gut is to the rest of the body. Today, researchers continue to study how the gut microbiome influences digestion, immune function, metabolism, communication between the digestive system and the brain. And the more we learn, the more we realize just how incredible the human body is. Before I share my personal experience with you, I'd like to take just a moment to talk about how Probiotic Flora, how to take it, because consistency really is important with any daily wellness routine. The recommended serving is 1 capsule with each meal with a full glass of water. Making it part of your daily routine is one of the best ways to consistently support a healthy gut microbiome. One of the questions that I hear most often is, well, how long does it take before you notice a difference? Well, the truth is that everybody's body is different. Some people are going to notice changes way sooner than others. Others may take longer. Probiotics are not designed to be a quick fix. They're intended to help support your gut microbiome over time, which is why taking them consistently is so important. Now, I often compare this to exercising or eating healthier. You don't just see dramatic changes all at once with one healthy meal or one workout, but over time, those healthy choices can make a meaningful difference. Supporting your gut works the same way. I'd like to share with you why this product became so important to me personally. One thing people don't know about me, a lot of people don't know, is that I've had my gallbladder removed. And that was years ago. And if you've had your gallbladder removed, you know digestion can change much afterward. Now, many people find that certain foods leave them feeling bloated, uncomfortable. For me, bloating had simply become something I expected every time I ate. For years, I tried so many different probiotics, and they'd help a little bit, but not much at all. I finally just thought that had become my normal life. And then I found Isante's Probiotic Flora. I started taking it consistently. One of the very first changes that I noticed was a tremendous improvement in my bloating. My stomach went down. It was just amazing. And I simply felt so much better. And I felt more comfortable after my meals. Digestion felt more balanced. Now, everybody's experience obviously is different. This is my own personal testimony. But that's one of the reasons that I continue to take this every single day faithfully. It's become part of my daily wellness routine, and it's one of the products that I genuinely enjoy sharing with others. One thing healthcare has taught me is that we should never underestimate the importance of caring for our bodies before problems develop. We may not be able to control everything, but we can absolutely make healthy choices every single day that support our overall wellness. To me, supporting the gut has become one of the most healthy choices I ever could do. And the amazing thing is that every single day, we have that opportunity to support that system through healthy lifestyle choices. For many people, adding a good quality probiotic can become another positive step in supporting a healthy gut. Taking care of ourselves is not about chasing perfection, it's about making consistent, healthy choices. Knowledge does not change lives, applied knowledge does. And my hope tonight is that you leave with information that you can actually use to better care for yourself and the people that you love. Building good health doesn't happen overnight. We build it one healthy decision at a time. Every healthy meal, every walk, every glass of water, every good night's sleep, every decision to better care for your body that God has entrusted to us, they all matter. Now, tonight, I'd like to encourage you to think about one simple question. What is one healthy step that you can start doing today? For me, taking probiotic flora, part of my daily routine, became one of those healthy choices. Small choices made consistently can change the direction of your health. I'm so thankful for the difference that it's made in mine. I encourage you to reach back out to the person that invited you to this meeting. They're going to be more than happy to answer all of the questions that you have and tell you more about our amazing USDA certified organic products. And they're going to help you with your wellness journey. It's truly been a privilege to spend this time with you tonight. I hope you're leaving encouraged, informed, and inspired to take one more healthy step towards better health. And one more thing. Please make sure to go and check out our biggest sale right now that we have ever had with Asante Organics. This is in observance of our celebration of our 250th birthday of America. God bless each and every one of you, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening.